Daejeon Resources Corp. is a Vancouver-based mineral exploration company listed on the TSX Venture Exchange, trading under the symbol DJI. Currently, Daejeon is focused on developing gold and copper projects in British Columbia, along with potash, lithium, and boron prospects in Argentina. This video will take an in-depth look at Daejeon's 3 British Columbia properties, Addy 1, Addy 2, and Cowtrail. Each of these properties is located in the Caribou Mining District, an area that features several operating and past-producing mines and boasts first-rate infrastructure. The Caribou region has historically produced over 3.8 million ounces of gold, with 2 million ounces coming from placer operations and 1.8 million ounces coming from lode deposits. The Addy 1 gold project is the major focus among Daejeon's holdings in British Columbia. Addy 1 sits adjacent to and along strike with a 6 million ounce gold resource discovered by Spanish Mountain Gold Limited. This significant gold deposit, which is located just 6 kilometers to the northwest of Addy 1, is expected to eventually generate an annual output exceeding 200,000 ounces of gold. Based on the findings of a geochemical soil sampling program, Daejeon Resources is optimistic that Addy 1 may contain a similar resource profile to the Spanish Mountain property. During the fourth quarter of 2011, the company commenced a 12-hole, 2,400-meter diamond drill program at the Addy 1 prospect. Drilled targets at the property were clustered along the same prospective argillite that hosts the Spanish Mountain gold deposit. Daejeon Resources also has a 100% interest in the Addy 2 property, a large land position that has yielded high gold concentrations in multiple till samples and surface soil sampling programs. The company intends to explore Addy 2 later this year. The Cowtrail property lies within a highly prolific porphyry copper-gold trend. The Mount Polley mine lies to the northwest of the Cowtrail, and the Woodjam project is located to the south. Mount Polley is an open-pit mine that produces more than 30 million pounds of copper and 40,000 ounces of gold annually. The Woodjam project, meanwhile, is being developed by Goldfields Limited. Goldfields has spent upwards of $16 million on drilling programs at Woodjam, as it works to identify several target areas of gold and copper mineralization. Daejeon Resources owns a 65% stake in the Cowtrail property following the completion of an earn-in agreement with Caribou Rose Resources in December of 2011. Daejeon has spent over $1 million on exploration at the Cowtrail property, including a 2008 drilling program that encountered 1.2 grams per ton of gold over an 18-meter intersection. In the final quarter of 2011, Daejeon completed a 7-hole, 2,400-meter diamond drill program at the Cowtrail project and is currently waiting for assay results from Acme Labs. For more information about the company, visit daejeon.ca.